Hello everybody, this is Vasya from New York. I'm living in New York City 3 years. I'm from Russia. Today we're going in Koreatown in Manhattan. I will show you Koreatown and many tasty food. A lot of people sing and play music instruments in the subway. Check the sound. Soon you will see. This is me, this is Vasya. I'm from New York. Check the sound. But if you want sing song or play music in subway of New York City, you need take license in City Hall. I'm living here 3 years and I don't know about Koreatown nothing. It was big surprise to me because I like Korea, I like dorama, I like many Korea kitchens, I like all Asian kitchens and all Asian everything. And today was to me big surprise because now I'm going to Koreatown. Koreatown you can find on the map. It's on Manhattan. You can use train B or Q train from Brooklyn. I'm living on Kings Highway station. It's you can sit on Sheepshead Bay or Prospect Park to many stations. I like B train because it's very fast. Yeah, now you can see Koreatown and many shops, restaurants. To right side you can see shop H Mart. I was there. In Koreatown you can find many interesting and delicious food. I was never taste that food. I was never saw that food. Does it correctly? I was never saw. Or how to say correctly? Oh, look that beautiful place. I like it. I want to go Koreatown many times. I was here first time and it's really interesting because I was on Manhattan many times and I was here first time in my life. It's very short street but it's very interesting place. So many markets, so many shops, so many restaurants, so many interesting delicious food. I like it so much. Looks, it's so nice. So many interesting things inside these markets. Wow, I like it. I like it all. Else I have Russian channel on Russian language about my life too, and I try to create many interesting videos to Russian channels too. And if you understand Russian language, you can watch my Russian channel. You can see the link in this video downstairs. I want to try all food, but I have very small stomach. Does it correctly? I have very small stomach and I try to lose my weight a little bit. But today cheat meal. Maybe it's correctly to say cheat day. Today cheat day. Looks what inside. It's so interesting. I want to try that all. I want to be here many times in my life and I want to try all food. But in New York City you can find so many delicious food. In USA you can find so many delicious food. It was very big surprise to me because I like food and that's my big problem. I like food and I try to be slim and I can't. I like food so much. I like cakes, pancakes, chocolate. I like that all and I want to try that all. I know how to cook delicious food. I know how to cook diet and healthy food. You can find recipes on my channel. Yeah, look. And the price is very good, not expensive. Not too cheap, of course, because it's Manhattan, it's Koreatown, it's very popular place, very famous place. Look, pink bread. Interesting. Which taste is it? Yeah, really interesting. So many tasty everything. Wow, this is interesting tea. I don't try that tea, but I want to try. But really, I like coffee. I have very low blood pressure. Oh, looks so tasty. I'm feeling like Homer Simpson. I like use that sound too. Sorry, but it looks really very tasty, like in dorama or like in anime or how to say correctly, anime. It looks very nice. I like cakes, but I try to cook diet cakes with low calories. I know how to cook that. Maybe I will show to you a couple recipes in future. I like it and I know how to do that. It was Korean market with very tasty food. I want to try that all, but I'm going to next. Okay, now we go to outside. Here I see very many tourists. I'm looking like tourists, but I'm living here. I want to try that all. I show that. I want to buy that all and so many interesting things inside. I was in many shops and markets. Looks it's so nice. Now you can see Korean area with music. it's me again. This is me, Vasya. I'm 35 years old. 3 and 5. I have Russian accent. Yeah, I understand. I like Manhattan. It looks very beautiful, very interesting, very looks like future, like city from future. I think so. It was Koreatown in New York City, Manhattan. If you want to see like that video, but with food, how I'm eating food on Russian language, you can find link in description of this video. I put it there. Yeah, in Russian language I tell about food, how I eaten. It's really very tasty, too much calories, I know, I understand, but it was my cheat meal day. Or how to say correctly, cheat meal day? I think, yeah. Looks like Manhattan, but it's Koreatown. Else I was on Chinatown. Maybe I will be there in this summer. If you like it, please push on like button. Does it correctly? Because I try to create very beautiful video. Thank you so much. You was with me on this video. It was Vasya from New York. This channel of Simply Guy in New York. Thank you. Bye.